Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove blank rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data or many blank row or column. Now we want to remove the all blank rows and columns at once or using the formula. At first select your sheet, click and drag on your mouse, then press Ctrl G on your keyboard, go to the special menu. We can see here many options. Now I am click mark on the blank option, click OK. We can see here automatically select the all blank rows and columns. Now I am click right button and we can see here the delete option. We can see here option is sheet cells left up entire row or entire column. Now I am check mark on the entire column, click OK. We can see we remove the entire column easily. Otherwise you can delete the entire row, click right button and select delete option and select entire row. We can see we remove the entire row easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.